There's always a story to be shared, paths yet to be traveled, lessons to be learned, and new targets to aim for. Focus your energy on the present moment and embrace your dreams as they unfold. Listen to the call of nature and follow your instincts. Feel the beat of the land that you are standing on. Follow the roaring sounds of the sea. Allow them to blanket you in comfort and peace. An invitation to leave everything behind and give full rein to your wanderlust spirit. Broaden your horizons and allow inspiration to lead the way. This is the embodiment of unbridled discovery.